an exciting program.
Hi, this is Ellie, and in this video I am going to share with you the No BS guide on how to make money online. First of all, there are practically dozens of ways that you can do to make money online. If you are searching for the different ways, I had provided a guide about it that you can check out on my website. Here's the URL. Now, to learn how to make money online, first of all, you should know the formula of making money first. The formula to make money is lead plus offers equals money. The lead is basically the prospective customers who are interested in what you have to offer, and the offer is anything that you can think of that makes you money, and this can be a number of things. So leads plus offers equals more money. This is the exact formula that is used by almost all kinds of businesses, online or offline. Let me break this down for you a little bit. It starts with something that I like to call sales funnel. The sales funnel always starts with traffic. Traffic is basically the number of people who are seeing your content online. This can be your website, video, or any form of online content, and there are many ways to generate traffic. However, we are not going to cover it right now. What I would like you to focus on is the process on how to make money online. So basically, it starts here with traffic. The top places that you can get traffic from is Google. For all we know, Google is the biggest search engine in the world and one of the most visited websites. And being on the top ranked pages on the Google search result for a particular key phrase that gets searched a lot can give you lots of traffic. And then we have websites like Facebook and YouTube. Right now, these are the top 3 most visited sites online. They are also the best places to get tons of traffic. Once you get the traffic, you should turn that traffic into leads. We can do that by using a lead capture mechanism. A lead capture mechanism is basically something that collects information from your visitors. This can be an opt-in page that collects their email address, or a free membership site where people are required to register first. Lead capturing is a brilliant strategy to make money online. By capturing visitors' information like their email address would give you a good chance to build a good relationship with them and to show them your offers. A good trick to do to make people provide their information is by using a free incentive. This can be a free ebook or a video as a free thank you for them for signing up. This explains the majority of websites right now who are collecting your email address. Almost all successful people who are making money online uses a lead capture mechanism, and there is no reason for you not to do the same. Once you had successfully captured and turned your visitors into leads, what you should do next is to build a good relationship and provide value to those leads. Because the more value you provide, the more you build a good relationship with your leads, the more likely that they are going to buy what you have to offer. This brings us down to the final part of our funnel, our offers. The offer is not always the product that you are selling. The offer sometimes is how you actually structure the deal and how you make the deal to your leads. For example, you can offer them a one-time discount on a t-shirt or provide a bonus ebook if they purchase the t-shirt within the next 2 weeks. Those are some examples of different offers. The more offers you present to your leads and the more good your offers are, the more opportunities you'll get to make more money. So let us do a quick review of the sales funnel. The first thing that you will do is to get the traffic, and then you monetize and turn those visitors into leads by capturing their information, and then you build relationship and provide value to those leads and present them with your offers. And that is how the sales funnel works. Let's do a quick recap on how to make money online. To make money online, we are going to need 2 components. They are the leads and the offers. The same formula is true for any other businesses, online or offline. If you are running a grocery store, for example, you'll need prospective customers to come inside your shop. And of course, you are going to need something to offer those prospective customers to make money. The more leads you capture, the more likely would people see what you have to offer. That would usually lead to more money. Let us now talk about how you can make more money online. I would just like you to focus on these components. More content plus more offers would give you more money. Let me explain this. The more content you provide via your blog, YouTube, Facebook, or any place on the internet is going to provide you with traffic that would eventually give you more leads to capture. And by presenting more offers, either by selling more products or offering them in different ways, that is going to result in you getting more money. And that's how to make more money online. And I hope I cleared up the topic on how to make money online for you. Remember, leads plus offers equals money, and if you focus on providing more content and more offers, you are going to make more money. Thank you for checking out my video. Please check me out on my website. I hope to see you soon.